I'm going to do a full BOJ routine. First, I'm going to start with an essence. The Ginseng Essence has this light viscous texture. You can instantly feel the moisture. Definitely no fragrance. My skin does feel plump. It is showing a little bit glow. The Revive Serum. It's another ginseng product and it has Snail Mucin. Look at that texture. It feels amazing. Keeps the skin plump. Amazing glow just like the essence. I am loving this. Serum is one step close to glass skin. I'm going to seal all of it with the Dynastic Cream. Look at that texture. It has this jelly pudding creamy texture supposed to keep your skin hydrated, moisturized, soft, really improve the skin texture. Brightening ingredients, anti-aging, also skin repairing. It's really good for dry, sensitive, damaged skin barrier. It creates this like moisture film. Wow, I can hear my skin thanking me. Lastly, I'm gonna seal it all with the sunscreen. Look at that texture, light, lotiony, protected and moisturized. It does give the sheer glow. Look at that glow. I am literally glowing.